Welcome back to Healing Minds, where we aim to provide support, hope, and actionable advice for those dealing with anxiety, depression, PTSD, and other mental health challenges. Today, we're diving into a critical and often misunderstood topic, the biology of depression. By understanding the neurobiological underpinnings of depression, we can better grasp why it happens and explore effective ways to manage and treat it. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the science behind depression can be a vital step toward healing and resilience. Resilience doesn't mean you're not struggling. It means you're finding ways to move forward despite the struggle. Even if you hate the word resilience right now, know that it's possible for you to build it, step by step. Before we start sharing 5 tips and actionable steps on the biology of depression, please subscribe to our content for more support on mental health. Tip 1. Learn about neurotransmitters. Depression is closely linked to imbalances in neurotransmitters, which are chemicals in our brain that transmit signals between nerve cells. 2 of the key players here are serotonin and dopamine. When the levels of these neurotransmitters are low, it can lead to feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a lack of motivation. Serotonin, often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter, plays a key role in regulating mood, sleep, appetite, and digestion. When serotonin levels are balanced, we tend to feel happier, calmer, and more focused. However, low levels of serotonin are associated with depression, anxiety, and sleep disorders. This is why many antidepressant medications, such as SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, work by increasing the levels of serotonin in the brain, helping to improve mood and energy levels. Dopamine, known as the reward neurotransmitter, is crucial for motivation, pleasure, and reward. It helps us feel enjoyment and reinforcement to keep doing activities that bring us pleasure. Low levels of dopamine are linked to feelings of apathy, lack of interest in life, and reduced motivation, all common symptoms of depression. Treatments that increase dopamine levels, like certain types of antidepressants and lifestyle changes, such as exercise, can help improve motivation and pleasure. How to apply it? Educate yourself. Understanding the role of neurotransmitters can help demystify why you feel the way you do. You can start by reading articles, watching educational videos, or discussing this with your healthcare provider. Knowledge about how serotonin and dopamine affect your mood can reduce self-blame and help you focus on finding solutions. Consider medication. If you're struggling with severe depression, talk to your doctor about whether medication might be helpful. Medications like SSRIs can help boost your serotonin levels, while others can help increase dopamine. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the best treatment for you. Lifestyle changes. Engage in activities that can naturally boost serotonin and dopamine levels. For serotonin, consider activities like regular exercise, getting enough sunlight, and eating a balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids. For dopamine, find activities that you enjoy and find rewarding, such as hobbies, listening to music, or spending time with loved ones. Therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, can help you understand and change negative thought patterns that might be affecting your neurotransmitter levels. Therapists can provide strategies to help balance these chemicals through behavior changes and coping strategies. Monitor your progress. Keep track of how different treatments and activities affect your mood and energy levels. This can help you and your healthcare provider make informed decisions about your treatment plan. Understanding neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine is a powerful tool for managing depression. It helps you realize that depression is not just a state of mind, but a biological condition that can be treated with the right approaches. Tip 2. Explore the role of the HPA axis. Let's talk about the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal or HPA axis, a key player in our body's stress response system. The HPA axis involves a complex set of interactions between the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, and the adrenal glands. It's responsible for regulating your body's reaction to stress, and it plays a big role in mood and emotions. When you're stressed, the hypothalamus signals the pituitary gland to release a hormone called ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. ACTH then prompts the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, known as the stress hormone. In a healthy system, cortisol levels rise and fall in response to stress and relaxation. However, in people with depression, this system often becomes overactive, leading to persistently high levels of cortisol. This can exacerbate feelings of anxiety, fatigue, and sadness. How to apply it. Understanding cortisol. Knowing how cortisol affects your body can be empowering. It's not just a bad hormone. It's necessary for functions like controlling blood sugar levels, reducing inflammation, and regulating metabolism. However, when it's chronically elevated, it can contribute to symptoms of depression and anxiety. Understanding this can help you be kinder to yourself, recognizing that your body is trying to cope with stress. Mindfulness and meditation. One of the most effective ways to regulate your HPA axis and reduce cortisol levels is through mindfulness meditation. This involves focusing on the present moment, which can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Focus on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. Yoga. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to reduce stress and promote relaxation. It has been shown to lower cortisol levels and improve mood. You don't need to be a yoga expert to benefit. Many beginner classes are available online. Find a quiet space at home, roll out a mat or towel, and follow along with a simple routine. Even a few poses can help reduce stress. Deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing can activate your body's relaxation response. Try this simple exercise. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold your breath for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this for 5 to 10 minutes. This practice can help lower cortisol levels and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. Seek professional help. If you're struggling with chronic stress, talking to a mental health professional can be incredibly beneficial. Therapists can provide techniques and strategies to manage stress and regulate the HPA axis. They can also help you understand the underlying causes of your stress and develop a comprehensive plan to address it. By exploring the role of the HPA axis and actively working to manage your stress response, you can take significant steps toward reducing the impact of depression on your life. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and gradually incorporating these practices into your daily routine. Tip 3. Understand genetic predispositions. Let's talk about the role genetics play in depression. Research shows that if you have a family history of depression, you might be more susceptible to developing it yourself. This doesn't mean it's inevitable, but it's an important factor to be aware of. Genetics can influence how your brain processes neurotransmitters, how you respond to stress, and even how effective certain treatments might be for you. How to apply it. Regular check-ins with a mental health professional. If you know that depression runs in your family, it's crucial to be proactive about your mental health. Schedule regular check-ins with a mental health professional, even if you're not currently experiencing symptoms. This can help catch any early signs of depression and provide you with strategies to manage your mental health proactively. Your therapist can help you develop a personalized plan to monitor and maintain your mental health, which might include cognitive behavioral techniques, stress management strategies, or even just having a safe space to talk about your feelings. Stay vigilant about your emotional well-being. Be mindful of your mood and emotional state. Keep a journal to track your feelings, thoughts, and behaviors. This can help you identify patterns or triggers that might indicate the onset of depression. Pay attention to changes in your sleep, appetite, energy levels, and interest in activities. If you notice persistent changes, it might be time to seek professional help. Staying vigilant also means being kind to yourself and acknowledging that it's okay to seek support when needed. Engage in preventive measures. Taking preventive measures can significantly impact your mental health. Regular exercise is known to boost mood and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be anything from a brisk walk to a dance class. Choose activities you enjoy to make it sustainable. Maintaining a healthy diet is equally important. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can support brain health. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. Good sleep hygiene. Good sleep hygiene is crucial for mental health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Establish a regular sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing. Avoid screens and stimulating activities before bed. Good sleep helps regulate mood and energy levels, making it easier to manage stress and maintain emotional balance. Genetic testing. Genetic testing can provide insights into your predisposition to depression and help tailor treatment options. Some genetic tests can identify variations in genes that affect how you metabolize medications, which can be useful in finding the most effective treatment with the fewest side effects. Talk to your healthcare provider about the possibility of genetic testing and how it might benefit your treatment plan. While genetic testing is not a definitive answer, it can be a valuable tool in understanding your mental health and guiding personalized treatment. By understanding your genetic predispositions, you can take proactive steps to manage your mental health. Remember, having a family history of depression doesn't define you, but it gives you valuable information to help you make informed decisions about your well-being. With regular check-ins, vigilance, preventive measures, and personalized treatment, you can build resilience and navigate your mental health journey with greater confidence and support. Tip 4. Examine the impact of inflammation. Let's delve into the emerging research that links chronic inflammation to depression. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can have far-reaching effects on your health, including your mental health. Studies suggest that inflammation can alter brain function and mood, contributing to the symptoms of depression. Conditions that cause inflammation, such as autoimmune diseases, chronic stress, and even certain lifestyle factors, can exacerbate these effects. How to apply it: dietary changes. One of the most effective ways to combat inflammation is through your diet. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines can help reduce inflammation. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts, are also great choices. Incorporate these anti-inflammatory foods into your meals. For instance, you could start your day with a smoothie containing spinach, a handful of nuts, and a serving of flax seeds or chia seeds. For lunch or dinner, try a salad with leafy greens, grilled salmon, and a drizzle of olive oil. Regular physical activity. Exercise is another powerful tool to reduce inflammation. Regular physical activity helps lower inflammatory markers in your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be a brisk walk, a bike ride, or a yoga session. Find an activity you enjoy so it feels less like a chore and more like a positive addition to your routine. If you're just starting out, even short bursts of activity throughout the day can be beneficial. Mindfulness practices. Stress is a significant contributor to inflammation. Mindfulness practices like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can help manage stress and reduce inflammation. Start with a simple mindfulness exercise. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Take slow, deep breaths, and as you inhale and exhale, imagine stress leaving your body with each breath out. Doing this for just a few minutes a day can help lower your stress levels and reduce inflammation over time. Consult your healthcare provider. If you suspect chronic inflammation is contributing to your depression, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider. They can help identify potential sources of inflammation and recommend appropriate treatments. This might include anti-inflammatory medications, supplements, or lifestyle changes tailored to your specific needs. Don't hesitate to bring up your concerns and ask for help. Managing inflammation can be a critical component of your overall treatment plan for depression. Track and adjust. Keeping a journal can help you track the foods you eat, your physical activity, and your stress levels. Note how these factors affect your mood and overall well-being. Over time, you may notice patterns and be able to make adjustments that further reduce inflammation and improve your mental health. For example, If you notice that certain foods or stressful situations consistently lead to a flare-up in symptoms, you can take steps to avoid or manage these triggers. Addressing inflammation is not a quick fix, but by making gradual, sustainable changes to your diet, exercise routine, and stress management practices, you can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Remember, every small step you take towards reducing inflammation is a step towards managing depression and improving your quality of life. Tip 5. Recognize the importance of brain structure changes. Chronic depression can lead to changes in brain structures, particularly in areas related to mood regulation, such as the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. These changes can impact memory, decision-making, and emotional regulation. It's important to recognize that these changes are not permanent and can be addressed with the right interventions. How to apply it. Understanding neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's incredible ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This means that even if depression has caused changes in your brain structure, your brain has the capacity to heal and adapt. The key is engaging in activities that promote neuroplasticity and brain health. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. One of the most effective ways to address changes in brain structure caused by depression is through cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. CBT helps you identify and reframe negative thought patterns that contribute to depression. By challenging these thoughts and replacing them with more positive and realistic ones, you can create new neural pathways that improve mood regulation and overall brain function. Consider finding a licensed therapist who specializes in CBT. They can guide you through the process, providing tools and strategies to rewire your thought patterns and enhance your emotional well-being. Engage in physical exercise. Regular physical exercise has been shown to increase the size of the hippocampus, an area of the brain involved in memory and mood regulation. Exercise also releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Start with activities you enjoy to make it easier to stick with a routine. This could be walking, swimming, dancing, or even gardening. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. If you're new to exercise or dealing with severe depression, start small. Even a short daily walk can make a significant difference over time. As you build your routine, you'll likely notice improvements in your mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can also promote neuroplasticity and improve brain health. These practices help reduce stress and increase awareness of your thoughts and feelings. Start with just a few minutes a day. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breathing. Over time, this practice can help calm your mind and reduce symptoms of depression. There are many apps and online resources available to guide you through mindfulness and meditation exercises, making it easier to incorporate them into your daily routine. Stimulating cognitive activities. Engaging in activities that challenge your brain can also support neuroplasticity and improve brain function. This could include puzzles, reading, learning a new skill or language, or playing a musical instrument. These activities stimulate different parts of your brain, encouraging new neural connections and enhancing cognitive function. Start with something that interests you, and gradually increase the complexity or duration of the activity as you become more comfortable. The goal is to keep your brain engaged and challenged, promoting growth and adaptation. Social interaction. Social interaction is another crucial component in supporting brain health and neuroplasticity. Engaging with others, even in small ways, can stimulate your brain and improve mood regulation. This could involve joining a support group, participating in community activities, or simply spending time with friends and family. If social interaction feels overwhelming, start small. Reach out to a trusted friend or family member for a chat, or join an online community where you can connect with others who share similar interests or experiences. By recognizing the importance of brain structure changes and actively engaging in activities that promote neuroplasticity, you can support your brain's ability to heal and adapt. Cognitive behavioral therapy, physical exercise, mindfulness, stimulating cognitive activities, and social interaction are all powerful tools in this process. Remember, even small steps can lead to significant improvements over time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate the progress you make, no matter how small it may seem. Your brain has an incredible capacity for resilience and growth, and with the right support and interventions, you can enhance your mental and emotional well-being. Conclusion: understanding the biology of depression is a powerful step toward demystifying this complex condition and finding effective ways to manage it. By learning about neurotransmitters, the HPA axis, genetic predispositions, inflammation, and brain structure changes, we can better understand our experiences and take proactive steps towards healing. Remember, depression is not a personal failing. It's a medical condition that can be treated. Stay hopeful, stay informed, and never hesitate to reach out for the support you deserve. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Let's continue this journey of healing together. Take care and see you in the next video.